The GEPRC Vapor-X5 D5 Pro is a premium FPV drone engineered for freestyle and racing, delivering an exceptional flight experience through its advanced features. Key highlights: superior imaging with DJI O3 Air Unit Pro. The drone boasts the DJI O3 Air Unit Pro, equipped with an enhanced CMOS sensor that significantly improves image clarity and low-light performance for high-quality video transmission. Rugged and sleek design, built for durability and style, the Vapor-X5 features a robust frame with a CNC aluminum lens housing and 5mm carbon fiber arms. Powerful performance, smooth and potent flight characteristics are achieved with the GEPRC 22207E 1960 kV motors. Enhanced lens protection: the integrated front lip design provides added protection for the lens, allowing pilots to fly confidently in various environments. Detailed specifications: model, Vapor-X5 O3 Pro. Frame, GEP Vapor-X5 O3 Pro. Wheelbase, 230mm, frame plate thicknesses, top plate, 2.0mm, middle plate, 2.0mm, bottom plate, 2.5mm, arm, 5.0mm, flight controller, GEP F722, HDV2, STM32F722 MCU, ICM 42688P, SPI, Euro. Electronic speed controller, ESC Taker H60_BLS60A4-in-1 ESC, video transmission system, DJI O3 Air Unit Pro. Camera, O3 Pro camera. Antenna, O3 Pro original antenna. Power connector, XT60. Optional GPS, GEP M10 GPS propellers, Gemfin 5136. Weight, approximately 409 g, PNP. Receiver options, PNP, GEPRC ELRS24, TBS Nano RX. Recommended battery, 6S LiPo 1300 mAh, 1800 mAh. Estimated flight time, 14 to 19 minutes. Package contents: 1X Vapor-X5 O3 Pro drone, 2X Gemfin 5136 propellers, 2X battery anti-slip pads, 1X spare screw pack, 1X Vapor side panel, 2X M20*250mm battery straps, 1X L-shaped screwdriver, 1.5mm, 1X L-shaped screwdriver, 2.0mm, 1X GoPro mount. The GEPRC Vapor-X5 D5 Pro offers versatile configurations, including GPS and various receiver choices, catering to diverse pilot preferences. Its blend of cutting-edge technology and robust construction makes it a top-tier choice for FPV enthusiasts seeking a reliable and high-performance drone. Best Buy link description box. Thanks for watching. Like, comments and subscribe.